Welcome back. My name is Max. We're sat in a Transporter T6 and we're at John Kleis Car where all your radio, reverse camera and DAB dreams come true. Now this customer has upgraded their Transporter T6 to have a new Kenwood large Apple CarPlay and Android Auto screen which all works wirelessly. That wireless CarPlay is one of the most popular things that we're asked for on a daily basis. This brief video is just to show a little bit on how it works and what it looks like. If I flip my camera around, here we have the screen. So it's a little bit dark outside, which is causing it to be a bit overexposed. It looks very nice in the flesh here, but here we have a brand new 10-inch screen. I do apologise, it is quite dark outside and I don't really have any more light, but this is what the Apple CarPlay screen looks like in these cars. It's a 10-inch screen, much larger display, which brings DAB, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. You even got the ability to add HDMI with these units, so you can have a Fire Stick hidden in your glove box and you can watch things like Netflix or stuff like that on the unit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you connect up to this head unit, which is quite nice and easy. All you do is you go press the phone button, search for DMX9724, which is that one there, and then this will kick us into the wireless CarPlay in a moment. All you got to do is just follow the on-screen instructions, which are soon going to start kicking in. So if I just pay attention, click yes, allow, sign my life away to this Kenwood, and in a brief moment we will have Apple CarPlay come up on this screen. These large screens, I think they look quite good in these dashboards. Being quite a large vehicle, they lend themselves to larger screens. It doesn't look out of place, and to be honest, it makes it easier to see and use. If you struggle to see certain things yet, you can't really beat having a big display. Now it's a nice crisp quality image, as you can see on Apple CarPlay. I've got my Apple Maps coming up on the screen. I've got my icons on Apple CarPlay. I've got all my maps, my music. That's the main reason why people generally fit these things, for maps, music, much more intuitive way of using your telephone while driving. We also have done a little extra job on this vehicle. If I pop this into reverse, we will have a reverse camera image come up on the display. So on the back of the vehicle, we've got a small little flush camera, which I'm going to jump out and show you in 2 seconds. This is basically one of our most popular head units. It's coming with a 3-year warranty. This rotary control dial is absolutely underrated. Often people find that really nice to use, but they're reliable head units and can bring you everything you need. And there even is an option at the moment which has the camper navigation where you can input your widths and dimensions. These Kenwoods also have an interface which integrates nicely into the VW, so we can keep things like steering wheel controls working. We want to retain the factory USB, and if you had factory rear parking sensors, front sensors, or a reverse camera, we obviously keep those working on the vehicle. I think I've blabbered on enough about this head unit. It is just a super brief look around it. This is your home screen. This is where the radio is. You're going to be in CarPlay probably most of the time while you're driving here. I do apologise, you're not really getting the best image on the screen through my camera, I'm afraid, due to probably how dark it is outside.